You're about to see how to build your own RSS feed from scratch in less than 2 minutes. With RSS.app Collections, you can create and share a feed that's 100% curated by you. Collections let you build a fully custom RSS feed by manually adding the content you want. Articles, blog posts, videos, social media posts, anything with a public URL. It's your own curated stream, built link by link. To get started, head to the Collections tab in your RSS app dashboard and click Create New. Give your collection a name like Weekly Industry News or Content Library. Then, start adding URLs. Just click the plus sign and paste the link to any article or post you want to include. An RSS app will fetch the title and summary. You can edit each entry by toggling the manual editing button. Update the title, change the image, rewrite the description, or change the author and publish date, and click Save. This gives you full control over how each item appears. For sorting in the feed, you have two options. Use Sort by Date to automatically arrange items by publish time, or switch to Sort by Rank to drag and drop items into the exact order you want. Click on the three dots to go to Feed Overview. You can share the feed as a standard XML link, embed it on your website as a widget, or add it to a bundle with other feeds for a combined stream. Whether you're curating research, showcasing press mentions, or building a custom content stream, Collections give you full control, without complexity. Try it today at RSS.app.